Hi, to add event to calendar on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, let's just swipe up to open the list of apps, and here we would need to find the calendar. And after that, we can see the calendar for the November. You can also tap on the November and switch to the December, January, or any other month. Or if you agree with the November and you wanna put an event here, you just need to select date. For example, let's select the 20th of November, and now we can just swipe up, and here we can see three options first. To set it as an event, task, or birthday. We are interested in event today, so let's leave it. Here we can just disable to run it all day and set the time manually for this reminder, or we can enable all day long. Here we can set the repeat, for example, every week, every day, every month, every year, or set the custom one like that. And now we can add some people to this calendar. And after that, we can add the video conferencing, add location, add notification. For example, the day before. Now we can select the color, let it be basil. And in the add title, we can name this event. Let it be the work meeting, like that. And also we can add description here. Just type in here details of your event. And after that, we can immediately save it by using this option. And that is how it will look in your calendar. Now let's just view it in this full screen, and here it is. You can simply tap it again, and now you can just rename it or add something else. For example, add location because we haven't added one, or you can delete this event by tapping it, going on three dot and selecting the option to delete. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.